Welcome back to another eye tutorial. If you are looking for a cool tone fall classic look that accentuates the eyes and is mask friendly, this video is for you. Definitely ended up a little bit darker than I intended, but you know that I'm here for that. I never shy away from a dark eye. So we're gonna go through step by step of what I did to achieve this look. Let's get started. Step 1, we have to prime our eyes. Just place a little bit on my brush and then I'm going to blend that in. Now we're going to use a little bit of wax to help keep them in place. For fall, I really like a nice fluffy and straight brow, so we're gonna draw in a straight line. Okay, let's do the other one. This is a very fluffy, bold brow. I don't typically go this bold, but let's see how the rest of the look ties it together. We are gonna keep this really simple and just build from light to dark, slowly but surely. Starting in the outer corner and just starting to drag it across. And I'm not bringing it all the way in, I'm just bringing it in just about to my pupil. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow and an angled brush, and I'm gonna choose a darker color, and I'm gonna stamp that near my lashes. Really up close next to the lash line, but not going further than where the color stops of my iris. I'm gonna start to create that cat eye effect with the same liner brush and same color. On the lid, I want to bring in a couple of shimmers and use a nice cool shimmer right in the halo. And then a brighter and lighter shimmer towards the inner corner. I'm going to go in with a white liner and do the waterline on my bottom lashes. Wow, do we just see how that pops? And we're gonna finish it off with some liquid liner across the top. Mascara. Done. And the only thing left to do is to just touch up our lips. First, we're just going to use a little bit of a liner. It's just a neutral color. It is a little bit on the pink side. How cute is this little ear cuff, by the way? I just got it. I adore it. It comes in a set of 2. I just thought that it was too much, so I'm only wearing one. We're gonna do a little bit of a custom lip color today. I'm gonna use my favorite dark brown for fall, Rust and Roll. and I'm just gonna selectively place that. Oui, oui, monsieur. And we're gonna go in with our We're gonna go in with our lighter nude color. Our lighter nude color, this is She's a Doll. Okay, here's our final look. Absolutely love this look for fall. A nice cool tone, smoky eye. Definitely came out a little bit more dramatic and glam than I intended, but usually that's what happens. I just have so much fun. I wasn't planning on doing an eyeliner originally, and then I was like, oh, well now a winged liner would just really accentuate this look. We're lucky I'm not covered in body glitter head to toe right now. I just have the too much gene. I get a little carried away, but I am loving it. Bring in a little bit of the darkness, a little bit of the cool tones. We see so many warm tones in fall, and definitely in the previous looks that I've been doing. Check out my beauty tutorial playlist. You could see the warm tones that we've been using thus far, and I really wanted to focus on more of a cool tone look and use some of the darkness of the browns without the richness of the oranges. And this is what we got. I'm here for it. You know I never shy away from a dark eye. I lean into it. And the lip is nice, and even when we're wearing masks, I can totally rely on this lipstick to not rub off. It'll stay there for 10, 12 hours. Definitely, even if you're taking on and taking off a mask, it's not gonna move. I just had to pop my back. Did you hear that? Wow. I hope you can use this as a little bit of inspiration to deepen up your eye looks and get out there and have fun. Accentuate your eyes even when we're wearing masks, and don't shy away from a lip either. Just find a lip that's not gonna move. The link to this one's in the description below, as well as my other favorites that I use to complete this look. If you wanna reach out to me, request any personal contact or free consultation, the link to that is in the description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm putting out 2 new videos a week. Also check out me and my husband put out a new video every Monday just for the sillies. As always, makeup is fun. Makeup is fun. Have so much fun. Love and gratitude to you all. See you next time.